Welcome back to the Clock Shop. This is Jim with JR Clocker on eBay. Let's see what happened at the Clock Shop this week.
All right, let's take a better look at this now. I got a little iron here, and I'm going to try to get this off. I'm going to take a mess. Turn it around. I don't know. I will try number 2 with a different iron. I really don't want to put fire heat on here. I'm going to try to get it off without. There it comes. All right, let's put this in a hot spot, this hot spot in a safe place. Okay, so I clean this up a little bit. I just want to get a better idea. And this is the idea. It may need a bushing, but it certainly didn't do that. And so in the next video with this clock, I'm going to show you how to do a bushing here without taking apart the whole clock. Okay, so when you run into this problem at some time, and I'm going to have to do a bushing here too. I've never ever done it this way, but it can be done. And then I'm going to put the movement up for sale, and I'll put it at my normal sale price of $39.99. that this stuff would have already had to been done by the new owner. I'm going to do it. I'm going to put a bushing here. I'm going to put a bushing right here. Okay, because that needs it. That one needs it. But I'm going to put a bushing here only because it's marginal. But it's marginal, and you don't need to have to do that. All I'm going to do is, I'll tell you exactly what. I'm going to open up the plates, and I'm going to take out this wheel and the escapement. I might take out this wheel too, and then I'm going to do the bushings by hand. All right, so stay tuned for part 2 of what not to do again